I'm obsessed with this. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed.
Hey dolls, how's everyone doing? How is life? How's your mama doing? I need y'all to listen up, and I need to let you guys know this. Y'all know I love y'all like cook food, and I'm about to school y'all like I graduated from a good school. My first guest with his hair all over the place is no other than your gel. We're at what's the name of this place? We're in Dallas. We're far from home in the actual city of Dallas at some place where you get to look at
It's called Derby Restaurant.
Derby Restaurant, where you
Dallas.
get to look at exotic cars and eat good Southern food. It was a suggestion of somebody on Instagram, so I thought we would come. Y'all, I literally just got in, and I didn't even take y'all with me. I got out this morning to go to Walmart, Target, and I went and got me some breakfast, and I didn't even take y'all with me, and that was supposed to be the whole part of this video. But I did get, excuse my outer appearance, I like love La Madeleine's coffee, their French coffee, and I was like, I want to try to find some French coffee, which is really hard because normally it'll just say French vanilla. But I found this at Walmart. French, excuse me, roasted pods. So I'm going to try this. I think this is the biggest one they had, biggest count. They didn't have the big boxes like they do with everything else. But I want to really try it. It's a 12 count. And y'all, I went to get this. I actually had to exchange it because I bought one. It was a blind buy. It was a pickup, and it was just way too dark. So unfortunately, the Walmart that is close to me that I went to, they don't have the shade in between this shade and the other shade I had, which the other shade was $367. This is $355. There's a shade in between there that would have been perfect for me. And unfortunately, they don't have it. So I'm going to settle for this. I can make this work. I needed an everyday foundation because I don't have one. I threw out probably over $1,000 worth of foundation because it was old. Most of it I bought in 2018, 19. That NARS is probably the newest one that I had in that collection. And I bought that in 2019, 2020. So all of it needed to go, unfortunately. So I am starting at scratch with foundation. I'm starting at the bottom with foundation and a lot of my lip products because a lot of them I got rid of too. They were old. They were just sitting there collecting dust and don't use them because I did that one time using some MAC lip gloss that I bought like in 2018. And let's just say my stomach was hurting for like 2 days straight. Like I couldn't get out of that bathroom, and I knew it was that lip gloss. But anyways, but I was going to try this. They didn't have the color primer that I wanted, but Amazon is having like so many sales, and Amazon had it and it was only $6, but this is $11. And y'all know that I am like a huge Maybelline person. So I do have a high-end foundation that I bought not even a year ago. It's my Diora, but I'm trying to preserve that because it's expensive and I need like an everyday foundation, and I don't. That Diora is the only foundation I have. So I had to get something else. Then I got this Happy Daisy. I wanted to try this so bad because it keeps popping up on my social media feeds. So I went into Target. Target just restocked these because they were sold out. So I went into Target to try these. And yes, of course, I sprayed them all. And I think I like there's another one I like, but I don't like it enough, I think, to buy it. This is the only one that I really liked, which is the Grape and Amber. Try them. They're only $5. What can you lose? And the body's wash is $4. I stick to Dove when it comes to body wash because I'm sensitive. So I didn't try their body wash. And they also have body cream for like $8. And I got enough lotion and body cream. I don't need nothing else. So that was it. I had bought some Barrel jeans. I had to take them back. They were way too big. And unfortunately, they didn't have a size down. So that really sucks. I am getting ready to eat my breakfast, make me some coffee, and just relax. I woke up really early this morning to clean and then go out and do what I needed to do. I needed to let me show y'all. I needed to get another one of these. I did a pickup and I realized one is not enough. So I'm going to make some peach cobbler today. So I bought one big can of peach cobbler and one half a can. And I just cut the peaches up and make them a lot smaller. So I'm going to do that. It's going to be for dinner. Salmon, rice, and probably broccoli is for dinner because we have been eating like crazy, just pancakes, tacos. Yeah, I'm going to kind of calm it down. How am I talking about calming it down and I'm making a peach cobbler? But anyways, that's what I'm going to do for dinner. So yeah, let's just relax. I got my window open and I'm talking really loud. It's so quiet over here. Super, super, super quiet. You can tell that the people that do live in this building, either they work from home or they retire because they are so quiet. Okay.